Hey guys, welcome to Math Tip. Today we'll be learning how to remove an account on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove account from WhatsApp on your phone, first open up your WhatsApp, and after that make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to remove from your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp, guys, you'll be on this interface, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us just below the start messages, and you can see the account option for us just above the privacy. Tap on account and you will find the remove account option available for us. Tap on that remove account and make sure that your number is the one from which you want to remove on your phone, and tap on the remove account button again, and over here you can see the remove option available for this on the box. Tap on remove over here and this account will be removed from your phone. And with that being said, guys, this is how to remove account from WhatsApp on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.